Finally, a quiet Saturday morning at home. The soup smells wonderful. It's my special winter soup. I hope it turns out well this time. I'll let it cook slowly while I take out the trash. Wait, is that the garbage truck already? Oh no, I'm late! I need to hurry.
Something smells amazing in here. Emma must be making her soup. Wait, the door isn't locked. That's not safe. Let me lock it, just in case.
Wait! Wait for me! No, I missed it. The truck is gone. Now I have to pull this bin all the way back. It's so cold.
Finally! I'm home. Let me just get inside and warm up. Huh? The door is locked.
Why? Did I lock it myself? Let me check. My keys. Oh no, I don't have them. I'm locked out. The soup! I left it on the stove. If it burns, that could be dangerous. Let me try the doorbell. No answer. Eva! Jack! Mark! Can you hear me? They must all have their headphones on. Okay, new plan. Snowballs. Aim and throw! Bullseye! Right on Jack's window. But nothing. He didn't even notice. Next, Eva's window. And Mark's window. My fingers are so numb. Nothing! They didn't notice again.
Emma? Is that you? What on earth are you doing out here in the cold?
Mrs. Clark, I'm locked out and I can't reach anyone inside. Goodness, you're freezing. Come inside my house right now.
Thank you.
Here, drink this hot tea. You'll feel better soon. You poor thing. How long were you out there?
At least 30 minutes outside in that cold. I lost track of time. Can I use your phone? I need to call Mark.
Of course, dear. It's right there.
Mark, it's me. Please call back. No answer. His phone must be on silent. Or he has his headphones on. Let me try Eva instead. Eva, can you hear me? Please open the door.
No answer either. She must have her headphones on too.
I understand. My grandson is the same. Always wearing headphones. But yesterday, our Wi-Fi accidentally stopped, and he came running downstairs in seconds.
That's it. If I turn off the Wi-Fi, they'll definitely notice.
There should be a cable box outside, near your front door.
You're right, I remember now. Let me go check. Here it is. Sorry, kids. Here it goes.
Huh? My game just disconnected.
Wait, my phone says there's no internet.
Dad, can we watch Netflix with you?
Sure, but... wait, it's not connecting. That's strange.
See? It's not just us. Let's check downstairs.
The router looks fine. The lights are on.
But it says no internet connection.
Wait, is that someone knocking on the window? Eva! Jack! Mark!
Mom? What happened?
I was locked outside in the snow for almost 30 minutes.
What? We had no idea. 30 minutes? Mom, I'm so sorry.
I rang the doorbell, I called your phones, I even threw snowballs.
My phone was on silent. I was watching videos.
We really didn't hear anything. We all had our headphones on.
We should have checked on you sooner.
It's okay, that part wasn't anyone's fault. But wait, did you lock the door this morning, Mark?
Might have. I thought it was unsafe to leave it unlocked.
Mark, that's why I got locked out in the first place.
I'm so sorry.
Wait, do you smell that?
The soup! Oh no! Oh no! It's completely burnt. All that worry for nothing.
I'll clean this up right now. And I promise, I'll do the dishes for a whole month.
Good. Eva, Jack, let's go fix the Wi-Fi together. I'll show you how.
Whoa! Is this where the internet comes from?
I never even noticed this box before. Here, just plug it back in like this.
It's back! Yes! Look, Dad's already started on the dishes.
Good. He has a whole month to go. Well, today was quite an adventure. Let's all share what we learned.
I learned that I should always check with everyone before locking a door.
I learned that I should check my phone more often, even on weekends. I learned that snowballs are actually a great way to get someone's attention.
And I learned that next time, I should always carry my keys, no matter how short the trip is. If this happened to your family, what would you do? Tell us in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.